Well done, Christine, Adrian. We're all deaf after the two of you. Tell me, what band are you both in, Adrian?
Black Raven pipe band.
And what was that piece you played?
It was a Britain Slow Earth and a Highland Wedding Scottish March.
And did you play that on the championships? Is that what won you your title?
Yeah.
Well done. Listen, when did you start playing the drum?
I started learning when I was 6 and started playing when I was 9.
Right, and did other people in the family play the drum as well?
My dad taught me, my brother plays, my sisters learn, and my mum gave it up about
Your mother plays it as
years.
well? That's great. So tell us, have you any interest in rock bands, Adrian?
Yeah, play with a band called Renegade.
But which do you prefer?
Well, probably the pipe band because we go to France and Scotland. We're going to Dallas in March.
No, well, for some.
Yeah.
That's great. What are your favourite heroes now?
In pipe band drumming, Andy Scullion, he's the best. And in kit drumming, Mel Gaynor and Steve Gadd.
Right. So when is your first gig?
27th February.
And that's for charity, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, thanks a million, Adrian. Right, if you're interested to see Adrian Mordaunt's first rock gig, you can go to see Renegade on the 27th of February at the Grange School in Donamead. Right? Thanks, Adrian.